we have the Aftership Order Tracking app. Aftership supports seller to build a branded order tracking page and automated notifications from 1,100 plus carriers to offer shipment updates. It provides centralized dashboard and analytics reports to monitor shipping status, on-time performance, and identify risk. They also offer a customizable AI-powered delivery estimate widget throughout product detail and checkout page to facilitate customer purchase. If you have any questions, you can reach out to them through chat or email. The free plan will allow you to track 50 shipments, which is not too much. But considering the quality they provide, their paid plans seem very reasonable as well. This app has over 4,500 reviews, with an average rating of 4.8, and most of its users appreciate this app for its robust tracking capabilities and seamless integration with Shopify. You can access this app using the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.